Southeast Queensland was hit by widespread severe thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon, bringing large to giant-sized hail to the Brisbane metro area, strong to damaging winds and flash flooding. We are expecting further severe thunderstorms today, but they're more likely to areas to the north of Brisbane. Let's take a look at today's thunderstorm forecast. Now, thunderstorms are possible across large parts of northern Australia today, including much of Queensland. In fact, the only parts of Queensland that are not likely to see storms today include the far south and Cape York Peninsula. However, the Brisbane area and the Gold Coast are not expecting to see thunderstorms through the course of our Monday, more likely just a few showers passing through. Our focus for storms today is going to be about parts of the central and southeast coasts, however, where severe storms are possible, if not likely. Any severe storms in those yellow and red areas today may bring us the large hail or the damaging wind gusts. In fact, we may even see some giant-sized hail, 5 centimetres or more in diameter, across parts of the Wide Bay and Burnett district. Through the course of this afternoon, keep an eye out for any thunderstorm warnings we may need to issue for these areas. Those storms today are likely to be triggered by this low pressure trough you can see here, lying just inland from the Queensland coast. That trough is helping to draw moisture into an unstable environment, which is what is giving those thunderstorms their power and energy to keep growing. As we move into tomorrow, we're going to see our low pressure trough deepening, with a cloud band extending right across eastern Queensland, pushing down into New South Wales as well. Widespread rainfall is expected in those parts, with embedded thunderstorms in the mix too. Rainfall totals are likely to be moderate for the most part, but thunderstorms could bring us some higher falls, particularly across parts of the Capricornia and Wide Bay and Burnett districts, more likely between Gladstone and Maryborough. Looking at the thunderstorm map for tomorrow, we can see that storms are possible through many of those northern, central and eastern parts of Queensland, possible as well across northern inland New South Wales. Severe storms are a risk once again, mostly across parts of the Capricornia, Wide Bay and Burnett and areas further inland, but tomorrow the main hazard is going to be heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding. Taking a look at beyond Tuesday, we're likely to see our low pressure trough gradually shifting away from the coast, taking the worst of that rainfall with it. As we go through Wednesday, we're still likely to see some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms along the coast, but the risk of severe storms will have decreased and the risk of heavy rain will have moved away. Quickly looking at our rainfall totals between midnight last night and midday on Wednesday, we can see those widespread moderate falls that are expected through those eastern Queensland districts, pushing down into northeast New South Wales. Now, the colours on this map are fairly patchy. That's telling us that thunderstorms are likely to play a part in which areas may see the heaviest rainfall. But one way or the other, we are expecting most of those heavier falls through parts of the Capricornia and Wide Bay and Burnett districts. So with the severe thunderstorms forecast today and tomorrow and a widespread rain possibility for Queensland on Tuesday, it is a good idea to keep on top of the latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app and via our social media. Stay safe and we'll catch you next time.